to Hannah's Galaxy, my white slime, Snowy.
I think this was your dad. We get a blanket because inside our house is warm.
I'll make some other channel of slime, but you guys must give me 20 subscribers, please. This it needs important. You guys supported my cousin, please support me.
And guys,
Hope you guys enjoy.
no, I want to say something. And guys, go to Hannah Galaxy and you will see that boy with the black hair. He's Isaac. He's our little cousin.
Yes, the channel is Meeting My Cousin. You guys enjoy. Bye.